going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video for FiveM. This is how to set up a txAdmin panel for your server. This is a requested video from my Discord, so if you would like to have a special video just for you on how to do certain things, go ahead and join up my Discord and put that in the suggestions. I'm gonna do this right from scratch, setting up a server. I'm gonna fly through this rather quickly since I already have a video on how to add or make your own server, but I'm gonna do it again just for the purpose of making this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do on our desktop, we're gonna name our server. I'm just gonna name it test server, and as you can see, I'm not putting any spaces in there. If you want a space, put an underscore or dash. Just don't put any spaces and you'll never have any issues. You can put this folder wherever you want. Make sure you do it now and don't move it later on, therefore it's easier to do. So just save this wherever you want. So once you go to this website, the link will be in the description. Scroll down where it says artifacts server. Go ahead and open that up and hit latest recommended. Close that back out. And then server data right here. Go ahead and open that up. Hit the code button and hit download zip. You get these two files. Open up your test server. Make a new folder inside here and type in server. And also make another one named server data. This is to keep things pretty. So we're going to go ahead and open up our server right here. Everything in here gets into our server folder. These are our artifacts for the actual game. Now we go ahead and our server data, open that up, and all of this gets dragged into the server data folder. So we close out of that. So now you can see in our server we have our artifacts, and in our server data we have our resources. So in our server data we also have to create a new text file and name it server.cfg. Make sure you remove the .txt and hit yes to changing the file attribute. To be able to change your extensions, hit this little drop down, go to view, and make sure the file name extensions is enabled. So go ahead and open this up now. It'll be an empty file. Scroll down on the website and copy all of this right here, just like that. Paste it in there and save it. We can close out of this now. When you're in here at the very bottom, make sure you do these two steps right here. The links are right there. If you do not know how to do this, I have videos on my YouTube that show it, but make sure you at least do the key master. Right here, you have to change me to the actual key. This is where you get the key. Like I said, I do have videos on my YouTube that show you how to do these. All I'm going to do for the video sakes to not redo everything, I'm going to go ahead and just drag in a server.cfg that already has my key on it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is open it up and just remove any of the resources I have loading and make sure that the port is the normal port, which is 3120, which should automatically be 3120 if you copy it from that website. So now what we're going to do is go back to our server folder, scroll down till you see fxserver.exe and just double click that. You see it does a bunch of things right off the bat. Go ahead and allow access, and you can see txAdmin already pops up. Go ahead and hit link account. And the first thing it's going to do is make us allow our admin privileges. So hit yes, allow. And now we're going to type in our password, just like that. And hit save. Sorry about that. And now we're going to go ahead and hit next. We're going to name our server test server. Next, and now we're going to select our local server data. This pretty much means we're saving everything into this folder. Select that. Now it's asking us where our resources are located. So if we open this back up and go to server data, just go ahead and up here and copy this address. Paste that in there and put a slash just like that and hit next. Same with our server.cfg, it's in the same location, so do that, paste that back in there, slash. This time you have to write server.cfg, hit save, and go ahead and start the server. As you can see, it does a couple of things, and the server starts right up without any issues. And here you go. Here is your txAdmin, properly set up, working. Now you can start playing around with this, and you can start connecting to your server. There you go. I did a couple of things, made sure everything loaded up, and there you go. You can control the server. You go to CFG editor. You can edit it in here. You got your diagnostics. You got your admin managers, where you can edit admins and everything, your settings, so you can play around with stuff like that. And once you have players, you can enable all of this in here. It's a pretty cool tool for making it easier to run your server. It's pretty much an all-in-one panel to control your server. It's a very cool thing. I actually didn't know about this. Somebody recommending it in my Discord made me look into it, and it's actually a really cool feature to have for your server. It pretty much just, all in all, makes it easier to work with the server and control everything that goes on with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future content, and make sure you go ahead into the description and join my Discord. If you do run into any issues and need help, I'm always in there. I got a couple moderators that help out as well. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.